Hello everyone. Welcome to day 9 of 1 year 1 lakh challenge. I am not particularly feeling well. That's why I've started late. Now the time is almost 9:30 and you can see that the market has given a good gap up, but then it quickly came down in the first 5 minutes candle. And currently if you see, it is trying to find some support around 9 EMA and 20 EMA and trying to go up. Let's review the capital growth. We have made about 2.5 percentage. Net it stands at 1,17,900 rupees. There was a 4,000 rupees deduction for my monthly plan. Since this is trade smart and I have taken a monthly brokerage plan of 4,000 rupees flat. So that amount got deducted. After deduction, we are standing at 17 percentage profits. That's good. We are going to wait for the right opportunities to enter. I'm not very sure if we should enter at the call side here, because yesterday itself there was a lot of consolidation and then it was showing some sort of weakness and went towards VWAP level. Although there is a gap up, now it has come down and we got to really wait if we should really enter into call side or not. We got to wait for more confirmation. Looks like it's going up. This looks pretty good for upside move, but feeling a little slow today, not really super active. So let me gather a minute before I make the decision. So call premiums are looking good in terms of its volatility. Let's also check on puts, how the puts are responding. Okay, here is what I am anticipating for the day. There is nothing much on the puts. Puts are actually decaying continuously. There is no signs of gaining in terms of the index moves. But what's happening is the calls are hyper reactive, and if it is not crossing the middle of this, see, it's exactly around this level, it is getting traded and rejected. If it is not breaking, then we might see it coming at to test pivot levels. Probably that will be a good place for me to consider an entry. But if it crosses here, then we might have a sudden blast and making a new high. And all the premiums like 500 it is trading right now, it will jump to 600, 620 like that. But do I need to, really be worried about it and then jump into the trade right away? No, I don't have any confirmation. I cannot be playing for luck. I need to have some logic. And rightly so that it is coming down, and you see the premiums have come to 500 rupees now. From 511, it has come to 501. So kind of patience game it is. Maybe to give you more details, I can zoom in. It is taking support at VWAP of 5 minutes. That's broken. Now coming to test 9 EMA and 20 EMA. If that is also broken, then definitely we should expect pivot to be tested. And that will be rather a good entry for me than to enter here and then average over here. Now this is going down faster, right? Like the premiums have come to 493. There is an ITM strike that we are looking at 53K. Uh, One level ITM that is also decaying. I mean, coming down faster. So it's better to wait. I think premiums 488 looks very attractive. I feel like at least entering 15 quantities. Should I do that? Yeah, but 9 EMA, 200 EMA, why not? We can try, but 15 quantities means it's fine. But usually I start off with 30, so that's why I'm considering and dilemma whether to enter or not. Solid, it's going down. Good. And that's the entry I wanted. I have entered now at 482, and you see that we are quickly there in profits. Let me trial it after 500 rupees profit. I placed a market entry at when the price was trading around 472, but it got executed at 483. So these things will happen. Slippages will be there. Oh God, wait a second. It's a wrong entry. Let me close this. I'll show you what I did. Only 16 rupees profit I booked because I entered into the put side. I said, right, I'm not really having a clear focus today. Ideally, I should not be trading. Not feeling good, not feeling that great. Now it is going up, but I think 457 is the low it has made. So right now it is trading around 486. I am really not comfortable with the price, although it is lesser than when we started observing. It was at 511. As compared to that, it is lesser price. But then the low it has made in this blip is 457. As compared to that, I am paying very high premium, so I will not be buying here. If it is not pulled up from here, it should definitely test pivot, which is great. It's bad weather in Bangalore, pretty cold, and I was not using blanket, so feeling a bit feverish. Let's focus on the puts as well because something is very different. It's not reacting much. The calls are not reacting. Yesterday also there was a slowdown in the call appreciation, but today seems to be even more muted. So never chase a premium when it is doubling something like quickly it is moving super fast. Don't chase it. Always wait for some sort of pullback because you will get two things. One, a confirmation whether this candle is turning red or green. That confirmation you will get. Second thing is that is the premium holding. Say for example, when the market reached here, it went to 522, and market is here only, and you see it is trading around 513 rupees. So you will get a good correlation whether the premiums are holding up or not. Now you see that the premiums are flying 524. So this gives a good confirmation that the trend is upside. Uh, but we have to find an entry. At least this level should be a good entry now, because you see the red candle and then the middle of this, and then this has become the green candle. The last one is a green candle. Its middle is also around the same level. So if it finds a support, it's also interestingly coincides with VWAP. So here if we enter and then there is a pullback, that should be good. And there is immediately 9 EMA and 20 EMA supporting it. Don't It doesn't look like it's going today as well, down on the downside. Markets continuously going up and likely to continue on the upside today as well. I would be looking forward to a downside confirmation only when it breaks the pivot. And even then, we have 200 EMS, but that's okay. Pivot, if it is broken, that's great news. Almost 20 minutes it is that we started doing this recording and waiting for an opportunity. Still, we don't see any good entry. It turned red now. It's quite unclear day because um, it's a matter of just about 50 points, right? If it moves up 50 points, then we know the trend. If it breaks down, then the potential expands so vast because there is a lot of world on the downside to be unraveled. On the upside, it's very linear path. It's going to make a fresh high and then continue to rally to throughout the day. Upside is quite easy to predict. Downside, it's a very interesting game. If it falls also, till where it can fall, till where it will find the retracement and then reverse, or if it will just break the retracement level and then further correct itself positionally. Many possibilities exist on the downside. You got to have uh, extraordinary mind working behind to find out what sort of things can be expected on the downside. But upside is becoming boring. In fact, it's just simply if it breaks the day high and then it's continuing to rally, that's all. Now the premium are blasted. It's a no-brainer now, right? But one other thing is that it has not broken the day's high. So let's see that. Though we got one entry, we entered into the put side wrongly and just closed with 16 rupees profit, but pointless. I was seeing the strikes trading around 472 rupees on the call side. The strike was trading around 472. So when I placed thinking that I am placing a call order, I misplaced put order, and unfortunately, we missed that opportunity. That is the only opportunity. Probably I would say that I missed. Other than that, it's pretty unclear. This is interesting. This is pretty interesting. I would enter around. Okay, let's enter a small quantity over here. It's fine. Let's manage it. Just 30 quantities we entered. It's trading clearly above the middle of this candle. Uh, I mean, it is pretty good confirmation that it is going up. Just that, I'm not adding more quantities because of any surprise elements. That's the only thing holding me back. Otherwise, it's pretty easy to add positions over here and then, trade it for the upside move. Trend is almost confirmed for me, but I'm not getting the conviction to enter with quantity because of the non-stop bull run. And if there is any correction from this point, straight away they will be falling like 300 points in one single candle, and I will not be able to manage that. That's the reason I'm not adding more quantities, just going very small to see if we're able to capture, say, about 500 rupees or something like that. 500 rupees is showing as profits. I am trying to sneak 1000 rupees from this trade itself. Okay, let's try that because anyway, even if we exit this booking 500 rupees, I will not be finding another entry. It's rather I will wait and do an experiment. If we can make 1000 rupees from the same trade that I wanted to check.
Mhm.
As you can see that it is easy to book this 500 rupees, but I am not booking it. Usually I book it, but today I am not booking it for two reasons. One, I am not feeling great, and if trade goes wrong, I cannot be stretching for more time. That is one reason. Reason number two is that uh, we have already made about 17 percentage, and then there can be any time a black swan can come. If I add more quantities and then it goes down, then a lot of profit will be wiped off that we have made. So limiting my investments but expecting higher returns in a market where there is uncertainty of downside moves and we are on the call side, we got to deploy the usual quantities but then expect more. Usually, I will be looking for 25 points. In this trade, I am looking close to 45 points. That's why we are not booking it yet. Uh, on any given day, this is good enough. We could have booked it and taken home the 600 rupees. All it requires is one pull up to test this top level at least. Even if not here, at least this level it should come to test. And if it tests this one, then our orders should certainly get executed. No doubts about that. It is ascending. If you see that the candles are ascending up, that is okay. But the premiums should quickly fly. That's what is missing right now. Oh, this I can quickly take one average. There was a quick fall, and We were able to take it at 494. This is pretty good. I will take more average. I guess this base should offer a good support. If it breaks, then I should be exiting my calls. One piercing can is fine, but if it sustains below this, then I should certainly exit. Now here I will do one average. That's all. Beyond this, I will not be doing. Oh, it broke. But then I got to wait and see if it closes below or it gets pulled up. My God, it made a new low. Going pretty strong on the downside now. Forced to do one average now. It's clearly going down. Should we? Yeah, I think we should exit this. Mm, breaking the day's low. This was the day's low. It has broken that. But it's crazy market. As we exit, it gets pulled up as well. Um, let's see this candle. Looks like it's going to be a long day. I really don't want to stay this long. Uh, looks like it's going down. Uh, not feeling that comfort. Let's exit it and call it exit for all the call positions. We have done that and booked about 6.5. Uh, this is okay. Now let's look for put side entries. And this is insane. The puts are not increasing at all. With this fall, it has increased, but then after that, it didn't show any movement at all. Despite doing all the averages, it's still decaying. And then this is also turning green now. But one thing is very clear. Big red candle went up and then followed by a clear bearish pattern. So at least, we should stick to the view that it is going to test pivot. Let's wait for that. So this is what I was saying. We should not, if we have lost money in one single trade, right? and we should not be attempting to cover all this 7k of loss in one single trade. Rather, we should split it into multiple ops and then try to cover it. Oh, wow. Wow, I didn't expect that. uh, we were able to cover. I was only placing trailing stop loss for 2000 rupees, but then it just flew, and then our losses have reduced to this. Now let's play this pretty casually and get it into profits. Maybe we will get in with 30 quantities this time, and because we have anyway lost big money there, and we were able to recover. Now there is no reason why we should not be trying it. Pivot is tested. What I am seeing is that the kind of momentum that it is showing on the put side is very huge, and I am expecting it to even pierce through this pivot and go today. So let's see. Okay, that's great. We were able to get I will 1600 rupees we were able to book. Should we stop here? No. We should actually go further and then try some more time. Um, but I wanted a small pullback to the pivot where I can re-enter. See, this is the beauty with downside moves. If you are on the call side and losing money, and the market goes against you, uh, puts will give you faster returns. Although, honestly speaking, I was looking to recover only 2000 rupees per trade, but this particular candle was so big, even I didn't expect. I promise I didn't expect it to give all the money back. That's a good. That's a good thing. Now, this is the pullback I was talking about. Should we enter here? I think time is also 10:30, and it's kind of risky to stay. Maybe another 25 minutes we can be playing in current week expiry. That's okay. But should we do it? We have already made a big loss of about 7k. From there, coming to 1300 profit, it's a very big thing with a limited capital, of course. But right now, we are seeing an opportunity. Should we really miss it? That's the question. Why not? Let's try with 30 quantities and probably enter in and see, because 30 quantities won't really hurt. And then at least let's target because 200 EMA is here. Definitely it will make an attempt for that. And at least we are looking for another 600 rupees. So pretty reasonable expectations. Having confirmed the reversal and trend, um, because it feels so incomplete when you don't have that 2 percentage. Having taken 8 days consistently 2 percentage or more, uh, to close today at 1.3 percentage, um, looks very awkward, and particularly having struggled so much with the trade, though I don't want to, still staying in the trade and then trying to stretch myself a bit. At least let's make it worth. This is good because this candle completed, and if this candle turns red, we should hit our target. I'll do one more round of averaging. This should help us hit the target faster. Okay, like I said, it's done. We made 2129. I think now we should call it a day. I am happy. Yes, it is. It has gone somewhere else now. It has gone to 518. But I'm fine with this. This is a good exit. 2 percentage, let's say that even if you have missed out around 300 rupees in this trade, because I have taken this monthly brokerage plan, I don't have to pay any further brokerages now. Only the government taxes that will come, probably that will be around 150 rupees or something like that. So we should have definitely made 2 percentage, close to 2 percentage. We should call this a day. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope this was helpful. See you all with more updates tomorrow.